The biggest names in business didn't start out that way. Becoming self-made is always happening. You never arrive, you just continue the journey.
It started with $700 in a beat-up old pickup truck.
We get rejected every step of the way. We still get rejected. Doesn't that hurt? Oh, yeah.
Behind any success story is a trail of trials and tribulations, lessons learned, and realities faced.
It was very important for me to have my dreams crushed, to detach my ego from my ability.
My biggest, proudest moment is the moment I woke up and said, I will burn it down because I knew I could build it back better.
I love that.
I'm Mike Michalowicz, entrepreneur and author of Profit First. I know from personal experience just what it takes to turn a business idea into a brick and mortar reality and how that experience can change you. Because success isn't just what you build, it's who you become. Tune in for the real, unfiltered stories behind business success, how entrepreneurs who started small built something extraordinary. This is Becoming Self-Made, a podcast from Relay.